This salad I'm about to make you is addictive. It's a crispy rice and salmon salad. It's so yummy. So we'll start with the all-important rice. So onto a tray, I'm going to add my rice. This is about 2 cups of jasmine rice. This is rice that's been in the fridge for about a day, even 2 days. The drier this rice is, the crispier it's going to become. And it's a fantastic recipe to do when you've got some leftover rice. So I'm just going to spread it out onto the tray. To this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so of light soy sauce. So drizzle that. It's not only going to season and flavour the rice, it's also going to help it go crispy. And then just get your hands in here and just give everything a mix to really evenly coat the rice in that soy sauce. Okay. I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees, so quite a hot oven. And then it goes in the oven for about 20 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it, toss it a few times until it's really crispy. Okay, while the rice is cooking, let's get onto the dressing. This one has a bit of a creamy, peanutty flavour to it. So a spoonful of peanut butter. You could use smooth or crunchy, it's up to you. And I'm just going to loosen it up slightly with a splash of water. We'll just start mixing that in. It will tend to thicken up, so we can correct it at the end after all the other ingredients are added. To this, I'll add some more soy sauce and some vinegar, just some white vinegar is fine. Maple syrup for some sweetness. Some sesame oil, about half a teaspoon. I like some ginger too, so we'll grate some ginger straight into the bowl. Now, this is totally optional if you want a bit of heat in this dressing. Crispy chilli oil, I love it. And I'm going to not only add some of the oil, but all the crunchy, crispy bits down the bottom. So we'll add about a teaspoon. In that goes. And we'll give it another whisk. All right, I'm going to pop that to the side. The consistency is looking fantastic. That can move to the side while we prepare our vegetables. So it's a combination of edamame. I always have these in the freezer. They're fantastic for a quick salad just like this. Some cucumber, wombok cabbage, and some spring onions. I'm just going to roughly chop that, and it can go straight into the bowl with the dressing. Have a look at this rice. See how crispy it is? That's what we're after. I've just allowed it to cool slightly, and I'm just going to add some big handfuls of this. Texture is so important when it comes to a salad, and that's why this salad is so addictive, because of the super crunchy rice. And now for the salmon. I always have a can of salmon in my pantry because it's a fantastic source of omega-3. Great for a salad just like this. This one is skinless, boneless. It's a fantastic option, particularly if you want that big hit of protein, which we're going to get when we add a whole can. So that's about 200 grams of our salmon. All right, let's start stirring this together. We'll just toss everything in that yummy peanut dressing. And you could make the dressing in a separate bowl and then drizzle it over, but I really like the idea of getting this completely mixed into the salad. Happy with that. So I'll just grab my other spoon and I'm going to pile it onto the plate. Just making sure we've got even amounts of everything there. Look at that big chunk of salmon. Put that on the top there. And just for a garnish, totally optional, peanuts. Some toasted peanuts, a little sprinkle over the top, and some black sesame seeds. This is such a delicious salad. Trust me, it's going to be on high rotation for your lunches because it's addictive. It's the salmon, it's the dressing, and it's that crispy rice. So good.